Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to hit a golf driver. Let's start with the fundamental setup. First, tee the ball high, so about 1/2 of it is visible above the club face. Next, position the ball off your lead heel. This helps you hit the ball on the upswing. Widen your stance to about shoulder width or slightly more for a stable base. Finally, tilt your shoulders slightly away from the target. Now, let's talk about your grip and stance. A neutral grip is key. Align the V formed by your lead hand with your trail shoulder. Keep your grip pressure light, as if you are holding a tube of toothpaste without squeezing it. Your feet should be about shoulder width apart, with the ball positioned forward. Distribute your weight evenly, perhaps 60% on your trail foot, to prepare for a powerful swing. Moving on to the swing path, aim to swing on a slightly upward angle. This helps you catch the ball on the upswing, which is crucial for distance with a driver. Initiate your downswing by rotating your lower body, specifically your hips, before your arms follow. Try to keep your head relatively still throughout both the backswing and downswing. Finally, extend your arms fully through impact to generate maximum power. To complete your powerful drive, focus on a strong follow-through. Ensure your weight is fully transferred to your lead side, indicating a complete rotation. Allow your body to rotate completely so you are facing the target. It's a good practice to hold your finish position until the ball lands. This helps with balance and consistency. Maintain a tall, balanced posture at the very end of your swing for a smooth finish.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.